Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Maths Magic Up. On a sketch of an arcane diagram, shade the region whose points represent complex numbers z, satisfying the inequalities z plus 1 minus I mod is less or equals to 1 and argument z minus 1 is less or equals to 3 pi by 4. Well, इस वीडियो में हमने दो इनइक्वालिटीज़ को आर्गन डायग्राम पे प्लॉट करना है। तो पहले हम इन दोनों इनइक्वालिटीज़ को अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं। तो जो हमारे पास फर्स्ट इनइक्वालिटी है z प्लस 1 माइनस आई मॉड इज़ लेस और इक्वल्स टू 1, ये बेसिकली हमारे पास इंटीरियर एंड बाउंड्री ऑफ अ सर्कल है। इंटीरियर एंड बाउंड्री of a circle center at -1 1 and radius r equals to 1. तो जो फर्स्ट इनइक्वालिटी है दैट रिप्रेजेंट बाउंड्री एंड इंटीरियर ऑफ अ सर्कल whose center is at -1 1 and radius is 1. जो हमारे पास सेकेंड इनइक्वालिटी है बेसिकली इट रिप्रेजेंट ऑल दोज कम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स whose argument is less or equals to 3 pi by 4 with center at 1 0. Center is 1 0 and argument of those complex numbers is less or equals to 3 pi by 4. So we have to locate that region on the arcane diagram which satisfy the given two inequalities. So draw real and imaginary axis. Okay, well, so these are imaginary axis and horizontal axis are real axis. So well, पहले हम फर्स्ट इनइक्वालिटी को स्केच करते हैं। तो जो फर्स्ट इनइक्वालिटी है दैट इज अ सर्कल ऑफ रेडियस r equals to 1 and center at -1 1. So here is -1 1. So this is the center of the circle and the radius of the circle is 1. So we have few points on the circle. We can use compass to draw this circle with center at -1 1 and radius 1. So the interior of this circle, boundary and the interior of this circle, this region is basically the solution of this first inequality. Now we move to the second inequality. The center of the second inequality is at 1 0. So this is the center of the second inequality 1 0 and the argument of all those z which satisfy this inequality is less or equals to 3 pi by 4. So we draw a half line with the argument 3 pi by 4. So this is the line with the argument 3 pi by 4. So all those complex numbers whose argument is less or equals to 3 pi by 4, this all those points which lie on this half line have argument 3 pi by 4. Argument of all these complex numbers z is 3 pi by 4. Well, so all complex numbers which lie in this region satisfy the second inequality. So since we have to shade the common region satisfied by these two inequalities, so all the points which lie in this segment satisfy the given two inequalities. So this shaded region is basically the solution of the given two inequalities.